Outstanding design defines the 2005 GMC Canyon. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined 5-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, skid plates, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you